Now let us try another example. Okay, the given polynomials are 8x squared plus 2x minus 9 plus negative 14x squared minus 2x minus 11. Step 1, identify the number of terms. How many terms do we have? 3 and parehas silang 3 terms. Parehas silang trinomial. Okay, after identifying the number of terms, identify if they are similar. Tingnan natin yung mga literal coefficient. What is the literal coefficient here? X squared. How about this one? Parehas po ba? Sa second term tayo. X and then yung third term natin, constant lang. Ganun din po sa second trinomial. Then after that, we can say that the given polynomials are similar. So what we're going to do now? Write the given expression using the vertical method. Okay, first, write the first trinomial. Then i-align natin, anak, yung kasimilar term. So, si negative 14, saan nakatapat? Kay 8x squared. Then, si negative 2x, dito po kay positive 2x and negative 11. Then, after that, perform the operation na. Okay. Negative 9 plus negative 11. Same sign, unlike? Same. Add or subtract? Okay, 9 plus 11. 20. Then, copy the sign of the two numbers. What is the sign? Negative. Next, what is the sign of 2? And this is? Same unlike? Unlike. Okay, what we're going to do? Subtract. 2 minus 2. Okay, 0. Ang 0 ba ay may value pa, anak? Okay, kapag ang numerical coefficient ay naging 0, si literal coefficient ay mawawala na rin. Kasi 0 times x is 0. Parang ano lang yan? 0 times 3. So, lahat ng number na i-multiply kay 0, ang sagot ay laging at wala na siyang value. Kaya kinakancel na po. Do you understand? Proceed na tayo sa first term. Positive 8 and negative 14. Same sign, unlike? Add or subtract? 14 minus 8? Okay, and then what is the sign of the bigger number? Negative. Then copy the literal coefficient. So, ito na lang po ang ating sagot. Negative 6x squared minus 20. So,